Alright guys, we're going to make another run around back. The eye of the hurricane's right around Fort Myers right now, but it's getting pretty bad right here. So let's make another trip around back. Come on with me. We'll run around back and see what we can see. It's man, it's really whipping around back here. Try to keep this phone dry if I can. There we go. Now you can hear it. It's really putting a hurting on them trees right here in the middle. It's ripped a lot of the limbs and stuff off of this pepper tree right here. So that pine tree up there, if you can see it, it's looking low. Man, look at that wind. Wow. Makes it harder to see through the screen, but you can definitely tell it's whipping around pretty good. Well, let's try to make it back around front while that wind's giving us a short break. So while we're out here, might as well check out the alright, let's go. Yeah, it's whipping around pretty good, so we'll I'll keep posting you as much as I can. Hopefully I keep this phone dry.